Alright, hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how I add a protection circuit for the LP6 LED auxiliary light pod kit from BAJA Designs without the use of additional DPDT double pole double throw toggle switch. As noted by BAJA Designs, you cannot supply power to the low beam pin 1, the high beam pin 4 at the same time. By adding the protection circuit, you don't have to worry even turning on both switches, as it will automatically disconnect the power, in this instance the low beam. Using the vehicle built-in upfitter switches S1 and S2 to control the flush mount LED kit, and S3, S4 for the ditch lights. For this installation, I will be using a 412 volts SPDT single pole double throw relay. Continue watching as I will show you the circuit diagram somewhere in the video.
Malutong?
And here is the circuit diagram.
When switch S1 is on and switch S2 is off, low beam will illuminate. When switch S2 is on and switch S1 is off, high beam will illuminate. Even switch S1 and switch S2 is on, low beam is off and high beam will illuminate.
That is for the flush mount LED. Similarly, for the ditch LED lights, the same protection circuit is wired to upfitter switch number 3 for low beam and switch number 4 for high beam. As you can see, there is no way the low beam and high beam is supplied together at same time, as the relay will disconnect the supply to low beam when switch S2 or S4 is at on position.
Hi. Nakaganto ka pala. Bakit sapat na, no?
Si detective kelas kalam basana sangan man. Ya, ana dawartan. Iyalah, okay. No problem. Okay. Effective yung protection circuit. Omar! Omar! Antar sa Mr. Fawaz, kelas?